All right, so we have 0 with the multiplicity of 2, which is going to give me x minus 2, because remember 0 is c from x minus c. But it's multiplicity of 2, so to the power of 2, because k represents your multiplicity. Excuse me. Then it says negative I. But I just want to go back and refer to, it says we're going to have a degree of 4. So that means I'm going to have exponents that add up to get me 4. So 0 is negative I. So it means I have x plus I. Because remember, x minus c, and if c is negative I, so x minus negative I. A negative and a negative gets me a positive. But since I have a negative I have to do the conjugate. So the conjugate means the opposite of negative I, which is positive I. And I know I'm going to do that because right now I have an exponent of 2 and an exponent of 1, which only gives me 3 exponents, which I know I need a degree of 4. So I have I, so x minus I, so now that gives me my degree of 4. Something else to keep in mind, negative I times I is going to get me 1. We're going to need that information here in a little bit. So all we're going to do now is multiply all of this. So first, I want to multiply this x plus I times x minus I. We'll do that first, and then we'll come back and do the x minus 2 times x minus 2. The x minus 2 times x minus 2 is coming from this x minus 2 squared. So here we go. X plus I, x minus I. X times x is x squared. I times x is I, x. Negative I times x is negative I, x. Negative I times I, is 1. Ix minus ix cancels out. I'm left with x squared plus 1. Okay, so now I need to go back and do x minus 2 squared, which is x minus 2 times x minus 2. Okay? Oh, goodness. Came back, but now I left. There we go. Goodness. X minus 2 times x minus 2. X times x is x squared. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2x. Positive 4. So this gets me x squared minus 4x, because I'm combining these together, plus 4. Woo! We're almost done. Now I got to multiply these together. So I'm going to come up here and do it. X squared minus 4x plus 4 times x squared plus 1. X squared times x squared is x to the power of 4. Negative 4x times x squared is negative 4x cubed. 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times negative 4x is negative 4x. 1 times 4 is 4. Woo! My final answer is x to the power of 4 minus 4x cubed plus 5x squared, because 4x squared plus 1x squared is going to give me 5x squared minus 4x plus 4. That's your answer.